Oh, the GoPro didn't charge properly. I'm always vlogging. It's my life. I'm tired as f. I'm Pickle Rick! So we are going to Cake. Is it Cake? K-A, how's it spelled? C-A-K-E?
Oh, club is spelled with a K. They don't know how to spell. I mean, it is Kirsten.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg!
Ooh, actually. Ow! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! It's clap system there. You have to clap. Look. 3, 2, 1. See?
Wow.
Fucking fancy, mate.
Wow. It's not.
Ah, they didn't know.
Oh, wasn't recording. GoPro prank.
All the bees are back.
We have arrived.
Che is a bit adamant about recording.
At the meeting place, he's about to tell us what to do.
The vlog. Shoot done. Now it's time to eat.
You already ate with me.
Tune in for the next 5 minutes while Hannah smashes the burger back.
This is how you eat a burger. Alright? You make sure to clear your throat and you take the burger in one bite.
Amazing.